I am sitting on the wing of a T-6 Texan. This airplane was used for advanced pilot training in the United States Army Air Forces all the way from World War II into the 1970s. This airplane currently sits at an air museum in California. Just look at that beautiful radial engine. The airplane originally got its nickname because the main manufacturing plant was in Texas, so it's called the T-6 Texan. The top speed was about 208 miles an hour. It is definitely an incredible airplane and used to train so many pilots.